morning students, my lovely. Today I am going to teach you 7th class. Book name is The World Around Me. It's first chapter. So I hope you will read properly. And one request for you, if any problem from my teaching, so you can call me, you can send me. I will rectify. So here you can see chapter name is Animal Masculinity. In which chapter written have which type we love animals. So you can see here the animal world is amazing with different animals having peculiar habits. All animals have roles to play in the ecosystem and need our sympathy and love. So we should every people want to love animals, and people have sympathy also. Which type we love, but some people do not love animals. We should not do this type things. In which chapter we can see 17 question have, in which you should only fill. Here you can see one box given have. In this box answer have, and you should read this line, and after that which answer is correct, you read and fill in this box. Okay, so you do yourself. I will not help you. First you solve this, send. After that I will correct and after that I will rectify. Okay, one chapter also I am giving you plants variety. Like animals, plant also have an astonishing variety. Different kind of trees grow and flourish, creating not only beauty but also food and utilities for mankind. Without the existence of trees, life on earth would not have been possible at all. We know that without plant we cannot live. Any people, any animals, any living things cannot live without plants, because plant give us oxygen. By the oxygen we live. Plant is very compulsory for all people. Just like last chapter is Animal Masculinity. So in this chapter we know that we should love animals, as well as we should love plants also, because if we will not care plant, then we cannot live, because our life is depend on plants. That is why it's very compulsory. So I hope you, my dear students, you should understood whatever I am saying. If you do not understand what I'm saying, then you can call me, you can send me message, I will rectify. One thing also, it's a English medium class, so I will not speak in Hindi. You should understood. You should try to understand what I am saying. So here you can see 16 questions giving answer also given in this box. So you read properly which answer is correct, you should fill. After that you will write in your notebook and send in my WhatsApp number. And first of all, you take your book. Without book you cannot read properly. Okay, so I hope you will take your book and write. Okay, bye, we will meet next day.